In today's video, I'm going to teach you Keap Broadcast Email Tutorial. A broadcast email in Keap is a one-time marketing email you send to a selected group of contacts. It's great for announcements, promotions, newsletters, and event invitations. To begin, log into your Keap CRM, then head to the Comms section. From there, select Email Broadcasts to open the area where Keap manages these one-time email campaigns. Once you're in the Broadcasts area, click Create Email Broadcast. This is where you build and prepare a new message to send to your audience. Start by clicking Add Subject, then type in your subject line, and click Save. Your subject line is important because it's the first thing recipients will see, so make sure it clearly reflects the purpose of your email. Next, click Add Audience. This is where you choose who will receive the broadcast. Set the email type to Work Email, then select your audience and click Save. Choosing the correct audience is essential, since it ensures the message goes to the right contacts and helps keep your communication relevant. After that, click Create Content. When the editor opens, choose Start from Scratch and click Get Started. This gives you a blank layout so you can build your email exactly the way you want. In the Content Builder, choose the heading element and drag it into the field. For this example, type Welcome as your heading. Then click and drag the text element into the field and type the body of your email. This section is where you communicate your main message clearly and directly. When your content is ready, click the three-dot menu. From here, select Save as Template if you want to reuse this design later. Keap also gives you the option to simply send the email without saving it as a template, but saving it can be helpful if you plan to create similar broadcasts in the future. Enter a template name, click Save, and then click Save and Exit. Before sending, you can send a test email. This is a useful step because it lets you review formatting, wording, and overall appearance before the broadcast goes out to your audience. Once everything looks good, click Send Broadcast. After sending, go back to Email Broadcasts again. From this page, you can review emails you've sent, saved as drafts, or that have bounced by using filters. As a best practice, follow this sequence before every Keap broadcast. Audience, subject, content, personalization, call to action, test, preview, schedule or send, and analyze. This helps reduce mistakes and gives you a repeatable process for future campaigns. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.